So I'll be showing you how to turn text autocorrection on the keyboard of your Pixel 8 on or off. Now I have the Pixel 8 Pro here, but this works on both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to system, tap on that. Under system, tap on keyboard, and then tap on on-screen keyboard. Now, of course, Gboard is your default keyboard, so tap on that, and then go to text correction, and you should see auto correction. It's currently enabled. To disable, just turn that off, and to enable, turn that on. Now, once you turn it on, you also have the option to undo autocorrect on backspace, which basically means return to original text when backspacing after an autocorrection. So that means when some text you typed has been autocorrected, if you backspace, it just returns the original text you had typed. And that's I think is an important feature. But as far as turning on or off, this is it. Okay, so that's off and that's on. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.